Hello everyone, myself Karan Shah. I was a student of Thadomal Shahani Centre for Management and I did my MBA. And post my MBA, I got a job in a fintech company. So right now I'm working there as a business development executive. The experience, I would say, during my MBA days, it was something very challenging. Every lectures was aligned to our, I can now correlate those lectures to the daily job which I do in my firm. So every lecture was a new learning. Like for example, project management, operations management, marketing. So it was excellent. Definitely, there were many activities which were quite challenging. So it's a group level activity. Exactly how group perform at a corporate level. So they at MBA I got to experience such activities which require great communication skills internally in a team.